Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would replace your turn signal light. Now the turn signal light is in the bottom. You can't really see much of it from the back here, but you're going to reach down there. There is a yellow, if you kind of pop your head back over here, you can see it, but you're going to reach down right below this high beam light. You're going to reach down there, and there's a connector. It's like literally straight down from here. There's a connector, and you're going to twist that a quarter turn to the left and pull it out, and that is how you remove the electric line. And then there's the light bulb sitting there in the housing. So then to replace, you just pull it out. And when you need a new one of these, and this is a double element bulb, right? So it has two filaments, one that will come on when you have just the lights on as a side marker or clearance light, and then the other one that blinks as you're driving down the road, or when you turn on your blinker, right? And so this light bulb here is a 3157 NA for natural amber. You want to continue to go with the natural amber light bulb because that provides the yellow color or the amber color for your blinker. So you would take the new bulb, it doesn't matter which direction it goes, and you just snap it into place, put it in the housing, and then press it until it snaps in there. Okay? Now you're just gonna have to kind of feel around, but you can also put your head down on the front of the light bulb so that you can see it go in. Get it to line up in there, and then just turn it a quarter turn to the right to lock it into place. So that's how you replace your turn signal light on the front headlights of your 2019 Nissan Sentra. This was on the driver's side. The passenger side, you can also do it without having to remove the whole headlight assembly. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.